Namaste dostum, this is Gautam. I'm a software engineer from Mumbai and this is your switch to AI. I've spent years developing backend system using Java, Spring Boot, microservices, AWS and many other technologies. Now I'm switching lanes and stepping into world of artificial intelligence. This channel is a place where I'll share my honest journey of learning artificial intelligence from scratch. No fancy drama, no hype, just real learning, real tools and real curiosity. This is a place where you will find beginner-friendly tutorials, AI use cases, simple breakdown of complex AI topics and everything I learn along the way. If you have been wondering whether it's too late to start AI, it's not. So let's learn and build together. It's your switch to AI.